Yes, yeah. Good morning. This is Shyam Chetwani once again, and just now we have completed a wonderful financial consultation call with Mr. Prakash Reddy, and he is from Bangalore, and he is a very big doctor there. He has his own hospital in Bangalore. So it was wonderful talking to you, sir. I just wanted to know your takeaways, your feedback out of the meeting we have so far. Up to you, Dr. Reddy.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Shyam Chetwani. So I had a 1.5 hour meeting with Shyam Chetwani. I gave him all the details, whatever is required. So he planned my financial planning for my family, my children, for their education and their marriage, and for my retirement purpose, very specifically. And he helped me to how much is to invested in which part or equities or mutual fund or what part of the assets are required. So it helped me a lot to get my financial freedom so that I need not have any stress for my life. At least I started doing this, even though I know little bit of things in all the fields, but I asked his help, but it was very good of him, and he thoroughly helped me to where to invest, how to invest, how much to invest, how long to invest, and how to execute, which are the best mutual funds he has advised me. So it helped me a lot. So I thank him very much from the bottom of my heart. So I wish him all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Prakash, for your wonderful words. Just quick, one last question: what really motivated you? What thing you really liked a lot about this session? Like, which one particular thing which you really feel that this
So yeah, you are very systematic. So systematically, you are taking all the data and being a auditor, I think you are an auditor. So you take the data and put it in the Excel sheet, and the figures comes. That way, you don't go and specifically you say this much is required for this unit of time, and this much is your planning. So that I very liked in your program. So I like to invest and go in systematic way so that you don't have any stress for my children's education or marriage or my retirement. So that is the financial freedom I wanted. So I took your help. That is very much helped me, sir.
great,
Thank you.
great. Thank you very much for
Thank
your
you, sir.
kind words. Thank you very much. I have noted down all your inputs, and we will definitely connect in future with the
Yeah.
execution part. So thank you very much, and wishing you all the best. Wishing you a
Okay.
very financially free life very soon.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste from Bangalore.
Namaste. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You kindly share that Excel